Do you ever miss yourself? I don't mean missing a specific place or a specific year. I mean, do you ever look at old photos of you or remember a memory from years ago and feel this ache in your chest because that person feels like a complete stranger? I know exactly what that feels like. To look in the mirror and realize you don't recognize the eyes looking back at you. To remember a time when you used to laugh easily, or when you weren't constantly waiting for the other shoe to drop, and wondering where that version of you went, wondering who stole them from you. It's a very specific kind of grief, isn't it? Mourning someone who is still technically alive. Mourning you. I want to tell you something that took me a very long time to understand. You didn't lose that person because you were weak. You didn't lose them because you failed. You lost them because you had to survive. When life got hard, when the people who were supposed to love you failed you, or when the trauma knocked the wind out of you, you had to build the armor. You had to become quieter, or louder, or more hyper vigilant. You had to learn how to scan rooms for danger, how to read people's moods before they even spoke, how to tuck your own needs away into a dark corner so you wouldn't be a burden. That bright, open, soft version of you couldn't survive the storm you went through. So the survival version of you took over. They put on the heavy armor, tested at the gates of your heart, and kept everyone out. But now, the storm has passed. Or at least, you're safe right now, sitting here with me. And you're realizing that the armor you built to protect yourself has started to feel like a cage. And you're angry at yourself for changing. Please, don't be angry at who you had to become. Instead of hating the guarded, tired, anxious version of you, I want you to try thanking them. Because without that armor, you wouldn't be here today. That version of you took all the hits. They bore the brunt of the pain so that your soul could stay alive. It is okay to grieve the ghost of who you were. Let yourself cry for the innocence that was taken from you. It is unfair. You deserved to stay soft. But you are not gone. You are just buried underneath the protection. And piece by piece, day by day, we are going to gently unbutton that armor. You don't have to find your old self all at once. We'll just sit here in the quiet and let the softness return slowly at its own pace. Thank you.